ceasefire hopes were building, but the market never looked fully comfortable. Stocks still moved higher because investors had just enough reason to believe the Middle East story might stop getting worse. Israel signaled it was open to direct talks with Lebanon, and reports said U.S. and Iranian officials were moving toward talks in Islamabad later this week. That gave the market some relief and helped keep buyers in control, but that was the limit of it. This was not the market pricing in peace. Israel kept attacking, and officials made clear there was still no ceasefire in Lebanon. So the move felt less like confidence and more like relief. Investors were not suddenly sure the problem was solved. They were simply stepping back from the worst-case scenario. Even that was enough to keep the rally alive. The S&P 500 extended its winning streak to 7 straight sessions, the longest run since last October. That tells you a lot about the mood. The headlines were still messy, but money kept coming back into stocks anyway. Under the surface, though, the market was less comfortable than the index made it look. Software stocks fell 2.2%, while retail and semiconductors led on the upside. So the market did rise, but the strength was narrow and selective. It was not one of those broad, easy rallies where everything was moving together. The money also kept hiding in the biggest AI names. Amazon jumped 5.6% after saying its cloud AI services business is now generating more than $15 billion in revenue. That gave investors another reason to stay with the large-cap AI trade, even while other parts of software were still under pressure. So the real takeaway was pretty simple. The market found a reason to relax, but not a reason to fully trust. And that matters because the next step gets harder. If this rally is going to keep going, it has to hold up when the headlines fade and the data takes over. Friday's CPI, along with Michigan sentiment and inflation expectations, will be the next big check. If those numbers cooperate, this relief can spread. If not, today may end up looking more like a temporary release of pressure than the start of something stronger. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily market recaps. This is Wilson.